Hi, I am Dr. Apratim Goyal, dermatologist practicing in Mumbai. But starting now, as of from today, let's see what we can do for the skin. So for those of you who are still lazy and don't know where to start by a daily routine. Daily, I mean as important as taking your food in. You need to cleanse the skin in the morning. Use a sunscreen. For those very dry skin, they can use a moisturizer as well. And at night, even if you have a little bit of makeup, wash off the makeup, cleanse the face, then use your night products if there are active ingredients which you are using, and on top of that use a little moisturizer and go to bed. And don't forget to put a little lip balm on the lips to keep your lips soft. In addition, you can always use some home care remedies now that you have a lot of time on your hand, and you can use some home care tools and some things which have been lying around in your medicine cabinet or in your kitchen tools, which you can now use for your skincare. And friends, it's not just about face or facial skin, right? There are other neglected parts of our body like the elbows, back of the neck, our knees, cellulite if there is any, pigmentation in different parts of the body. So also we'll be discussing some remedies for these problems. And lastly, for those of the brides whose marriage is either delayed or postponed, or you are still having a simple marriage, so don't be disheartened. You may not be having thousands of guests attending the wedding, but you can still be your bride beautiful and have a dream wedding and take care of your skin and pamper while you are in this quarantine period. Now, if you see around, you have spoons in the house. You may have some roller, like the jade roller is very popular. Like this is one of the rollers which you can use for a little lymphatic drainage and massage on the face. This is like platinum 3D roller which is available. And then if you don't have anything, you can just apply a gel and take 2 spoons and kind of massage and give yourself, increased blood supply and lymphatic drainage on the skin. So you can do that once a day. Many of you must be seeing an occasional acne or a zit pop out here and there on the face, and if you don't have any medication like an antibiotic or clindamycin with you, of course I recommend a medicated ointment like Face Clean or Acne War. But in case you don't have anything like that, what you can do is take a toothpaste, put a little bit of soda bicarb. If you don't have a soda bicarb also, or a cooking soda at home, you can put a little Eno in that and just put it all over the acne where you have. Put it for 10 minutes and wash it out, and you will see improvement in the acne. You can use any oil for removing makeup from the face. In case you run out of your makeup removers, you can use a coconut oil or an olive oil. As you see here that we are using an olive oil to remove the makeup from the skin, and after that remember that you have to wash the face with a cleanser. Give yourself a quick facial by using a scrub where you can use besan with little milk or yogurt, which will work like an exfoliant as well as a cleanser. And उसके ऊपर आप use कर सकते हैं कोई toner जिसमें you can use vinegar, diluted vinegar. Use it with a cotton on the face to tone the face. And next comes the scrub. So for the scrub again, you can use oatmeal along with honey, especially for those people who have dry skin. Oatmeal is good moisturizing as well as scrubbing. Put some orange juice, or you can even use pulp of orange or the zest of orange, and this will work like a beautiful scrub as well as moisturizing. And don't forget that you have to also scrub your lips, even for guys also who have pigmentation and dry lips. So you can use this simple scrub. Take a tomato which is there in every house, dip it in sugar. I'm using a brown sugar, but you can always use any sugar which is there, not very thick but a fine sugar, and scrub your lips. Do it once a day. एंड फॉर दोज ऑफ यू जो अभी अपना क्लीनअप और फेशियल नहीं करवा पाए हैं, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 3 वीक्स हो गए हैं लॉकडाउन को, तो आई एम श्योर कि जब आप फेस टच करते हैं तो आपको फेस बहुत रफ और ब्लैकहेड्स होते होंगे. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, एज आई एम शोइंग हेयर, यू कैन टेक अ हॉट towel, dip it in hot water, just put it on the nose because this is primarily where the blackheads are, and उसके ऊपर keep it for a few minutes so that the skin becomes soft and the pores open up. And then you can use, if you have a blackhead extractor or a comedone extractor, आप वो use कीजिए. Otherwise you can always use, you know, a safety pin or a hair pin. I prefer using a safety pin because it is more rounded and blunt, and please don't give a lot of pressure. This is just to remove the open comedones, not the closed comedones. A simple mask which is made up of yogurt. We use a little bit of baking soda in that. You can add a little bit of milk powder, like a half a teaspoon, because milk powder is whitening for the skin. Put baking soda. So these are the ingredients which you add, and a coconut oil. Coconut oil, for those of you who have oily skin, you can avoid this step. Skip using the coconut oil. Mix it nicely, whip it into a mask and put it on the face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off.